Hey guys, it's Kristen. So this is going to be a really quick video, but I just wanted to show you a way that you can do a really big whiteboard for cheap. So we recently moved into a new house and I finally have an office that's just mine. And the first thing I thought is I really want a big whiteboard so I can write down all my notes and ideas. But then when I went to the stores, they were like $40, $50, sometimes $60. And then I asked my boyfriend, who is in the construction field, I was like, do they make any kind of material that I could put like a dry erase pen on? And at first I thought maybe glass, but then he said they sell something called marker board. So that's what I did. So at our Home Depot, I'm able to get a 2x4 foot board for a little over $10, and this is the size I ended up choosing. But you also can get a much larger option for a few dollars more. This size is gonna be about 2 to 3 times the size of the board that I bought. So it just depends on how large of a whiteboard you're looking for. So we decided to just screw right into the board because we wanted it to sit flush, and if I put anything behind this, it was sticking out a little bit. So all I'm gonna do to hide this is take a little bit of white out and paint right over it. Now you can do a lot of different things. You can put stickers over it, you can just leave it as is, or you can place like command strips or something on the back if you want. I'm just gonna put a little bit of white out on here, and I'll probably do a couple coats. So we'll leave that. We'll put another coat on. There we go. When you're farther back, it kind of just blends right into the board. Something I do want to mention though, is you have to remember if you buy a dry erase board from the store, it's most likely going to be on metal, so it's magnetic. This is not. It's pretty much like a board. So you can't put anything that would be magnetic on here. But I do have a solution if you want to have like a dry erase marker or something else that you do want to be able to stick to it. So I just bought a magnet from Home Depot, and then I crazy glued it onto my board, and now my dry erase marker will stick to it. And then I've got this one over here too, next to my squad girls right here. And you can pretty much crazy glue any other things up there. So like I have this little clip, you know, if you want to have paper on there, so you can just magnetize that or crazy glue it directly to the board. So there are other ways to get around it not being a metal board. Now you're probably all asking, yeah, but does it work? Let me show you. All right, let's write something on here. Subscribe. Bam. All right, now I'm going to erase it. There we go. Now for that demonstration, I just kind of wiped it off with a paper towel. I do have like the little erasers on the end, but these suck. Even on a normal dry erase board, they don't really work very well. So I do recommend that you get a good dry eraser. I also highly recommend that you get like a whiteboard cleaner. This is important for all whiteboards, but specifically for this one because it's not your standard dry erase board. So this helps clean it off really well, but also it leaves kind of like almost like a waxy residue, or you know, you can feel that it's smooth. So that helps to keep the markers from staining your board, and also that they apply and go on nicely. So this I highly recommend. The other thing I want to mention for full disclosure, I did have a list on this board that I wrote, and it was there for like 3 months, and I did have kind of a hard time getting it off, but with the spray it came off really easily, but it wouldn't just wipe off by itself. I know that can happen with normal dry erase boards as well, but I did want to let you know it did come off. I have nothing on there, but I did have to like spray it and leave it for a second, and then it came off. So just be careful of stuff like that. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video, and I'll talk to you later.